Y'all are some nosy ass peeps. What was your ex's name? What is up?
You too.
What's up, SV squad? It's your girl. Are you serious?
It's your boy Joti
and your girl Victoria. We're back again with
another
part 2 Q&A.
No, wait.
What's up, SV squad? It's your boy
Joti and
your girl Victoria, back again with part 2 Q&A. Okay, so we got the questions here.
Now we need to say something about, guys. We do this because we love you guys.
My tummy's hurting.
And
okay, so for the past 2 days or a day, I think we have gastro or food poisoning. The doctor seems to think it's gastro.
Yeah, drink the vapor. Boiling water.
Yeah.
You need to drink boiling water.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. Sorry, it's like the night time, so you know our faces not be looking fresh like they usually.
Doesn't matter, guys. This face is face from a beautiful face from our, yeah, you know, guys, whatever looks you like, whatever you look like to me like this, yeah, it's same. Okay. If you put your makeup, if you put something get sharp, yeah, you look same.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and back to our question.
Question 1. Do you guys get paid from YouTube? Yes, we do, every month. That's it. What would you do if your partner cheated on you? Would you divorce her or him?
Yeah, that's spicy question. It's not happened to me before, but if you love each other, so why the girls go cheating on you, or why your wife cheating on you, why your husband cheating on you, why? Why
are you men question. And women out there? Okay, no, but like answer the question though. Like if I cheated on you, would you divorce me? Or would you give me a second chance?
If she cheated on me, well, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not saying divorce or what.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna do it too. Yeah, that's my.
Would you make it even?
Yeah, to make it even.
I wouldn't. Okay, if Siosi is
no, that's not my answer.
Yes, it is. If Siosi,
no, I promise.
No,
my answer.
If Siosi cheated on me,
baby,
it's my turn.
On me. If my wife
cheated on me,
shut up.
If Siosi cheated on me, I would be very hurt. I'd be very upset. I would probably want to divorce him straight away, like overnight. That's how quick I'm just like, divorce, let me sign those papers. But I feel like over time, I am the type of person that would give him a second chance. And after that one, then it's over. Obviously, you still love the person. You can't just turn off feelings like that. But I will do it because I'm not about to sit around and let some guy just walk all over me and not know my worth. If you don't know your worth, then how do you expect them to know your worth?
If it happened that night, if she cheated on me, yeah, I'll give her a chance. But I'll be so upset and hurt. So,
do you think I would ever do that to you?
Second chance. But
do you think I would ever do that to you?
But I don't think it's gonna happen to us because we are close and focused to God every time. Yeah, guys. We need to pray every time. A happy family is a happy mind. What
was your first impression of each other? Were you like, damn girl, that girl's so fine, I want to make her mine? Or were you like, damn girl, she's so pretty? Because I know it has to be one or the other. You go first.
No, you go first.
No, because you're going to change your answer if you hear mine. Go
no,
first.
You change yours.
Okay, fine. If you're not familiar with how we met, I'll have the link down in the description of how we met. We have our own versions in our story times on our, you know, page.
Yeah.
And my first impression of him was like, I don't know, like I didn't really think much of him, and it was all a bit of a blur. Like when I look back at it now, I never would have thought that he would have been someone that I would marry. And I just remember looking at his eyes. That was my first impression of him, just looking at his eyes. And I noticed he had like really long eyelashes, and his eyes were
Is that
really...
true, guys? Is that true?
Oh, get out of here. And his eyes were really light brown. That's all I remember of him, like leaving...
Damn, boy. You're looking good, boy.
Leaving the bus station and just like thinking about his eyes. But
Ooh.
then I remembered like the little gap in his teeth.
No, guys, look. There's nothing in my teeth.
With his cute little gap. and I always said, like growing up, I was gonna marry someone with like really nice teeth. And like so far, all of my like previous relationships,
I have nice
they've had like
teeth.
the muntieth teeth. What do you say?
That's when I'm younger.
Teeth.
It's still.
But yours is like the best one that I've, you know, been like, oh, sorry. Yeah, so that was my impression of my husband. What did you think when you first saw me?
Me, guys. First time when I saw this girl, or Victoria, or my wife, the first time when I saw her inside the market, oh damn boy, that's you, girl. That's you, boy.
What?
Oh, my friends, oh yeah, she looks nice.
She's seki decky.
Yeah, before that time.
So what do you mean before? What do you mean before?
No, they came me up. What do you mean?
Go. Proceed. Because I'll still be looking seki decky. What you trying to say, huh? I'm gonna have put on a few kilos, but what? I'm still damn girl.
No, I'm not mean about that. I mean before, when we met, when I saw her outside here. That's why I'm trying to, yeah.
You tried to seduce me.
Trying to seduce her. Yeah, to make her, to make her look same to me. Yeah, she said, oh, that boy's so nice too.
No.
Damn, boy.
I didn't.
Yeah, the first time that I saw her, I really want to, to talk to her. That's why I'll go straight to the point. Go straight to the point that time.
And you were like,
and the main point I'd go straight for that time, I really want to know her number. Yeah, that's the quickest one. Ask straight to the number. And I didn't know she wants me too, yeah guys. Because...
No, honey. Just look in the Q&A. We're not going to go through this story again. We've already said our impression. What do you do for work? So I work at Department of Human Services, Centrelink, doing, you know, face-to-face customer service. It's Yossi.
I work at GCS, Creators Company Service. Yeah, I'm doing labor, guys. You know me, I'm doing labor because, yeah, it's good. But doesn't matter to me. Any job, strong boy. Oh, real island.
What school did we attend? Kaylin Primary, Kaylin High School, Lake Ginninderra. And then I went to UC, which is University of Canberra. I was there for about a year, and then I had to put that on hold so I can work full time. And I also went to Faskokai Primary for like 1 week. Yep. Represent.
You're not going to Faskokai?
Yes, I did. I went there for 1 week.
Yeah, just going to visit.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I still count that because I was still enrolled.
Yeah.
I did, and on my first day at Faskokai Primary, everyone was pulling my hair. Every time I go back, I don't remember who they are, but if I did, I'll go and tell them, why did you pull my hair when I was little? because that made me cry. And like everyone, like half the class was running up, pulling my hair, pulling my hair, pulling my hair. And the girl that they had buddied me with, she did nothing. She just laughed, and I just started crying. It was pretty sad. Would you have saved me if you were in my class?
No. Because I'm a boy, why I come there to save you for?
Because even boys were pulling my hair.
Oh, boys?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Really, nigga?
Because I'm not going to school with her.
Anyways, and then I went to, that was when I was in like year 3 or year 2 or something like that.
Guys, like primary school, SIAOSI'S primary school, yeah, in Hawaii. This is the best school I ever had, guys. Yeah, this is the best primary school in the world.
That is not the best primary school in the world. You told me it was haunted.
No, but it's not equal. It's my school.
Yeah, there was ghosts
like
there.
it.
He said that, and like ghosts used to hide in the bathrooms to scare people. Like old men and women would just like hide out in the bathroom, and then when little kids come on their own to the toilet, they would just be there, and when the kids get scared, they would laugh.
It's someone who come there and scare the little kids when we little.
Stop lying.
Yeah, but this is the best school, primary school I go. And when I grow up, go to the other schools. Lechutane Secondary School, yeah. And when, yeah, that school, I'm not finished to Lechutane that time. I'm going to 1 month to Lei Fifi. Yeah, if you know that school and can go back to, yeah, I don't want to tell any school, just only the school, the college. Go to Waipouli College, yeah. And then
Siaosi was like a school hood rat. He was like jumping into every school in Samoa.
No.
Well, hurry up, you're taking so long.
And then, guys, I'll go to my best dancer school in Samoa. You know, guys, Don Bosco, yeah, is the best one. Hello, the Va'a, yeah, long pose, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
you competed in the canoe thing.
I'll compete into the long boat canoe
races. 50th anniversary of Samoa.
Yeah, and we win, yeah, guys. We won that time, yeah. When graduate with my welding, yeah, okay. Welding, and I have a job that time to silver transport. To weld all the stuff.
They didn't ask what job you got, they just asked the school.
Oh, the school, yeah. Oh, sorry, guys.
What do you prefer, cookie time or Cole's cookies? Cookie time, duh.
Cookie time, guys.
Yeah. Where have we travelled? I've travelled to Australia, obviously. I count that as one of my countries. I've travelled to Samoa, obviously. New Zealand, Singapore, Indonesia. And I've been to Fiji stopover. You?
American Samoa, guys. If you know that. Travel to Australia. Stop to New Zealand. Stop to Fiji. Go to Singapore. And go to Indonesia. That's all I travel.
Yep. So pretty much the same. What is some advice and tips you have for small YouTubers?
My advice, guys, keep it up and focus, and you need to make it happy. My
advice for small YouTubers just starting is start with what you have, be original, be yourself, keep grinding. Obviously we started somewhere, it was hard for us when we first started, but you just get used to it. And especially vlogging out in public, it didn't take us very long to get used to that. Like, I guess maybe it's because there's 2 people, so if you're newly starting and you know that's one of your issues that you have is vlogging out in public, go with a group of friends you feel comfortable with and go with them and vlog in public while they're around, because you will feel more supported and comfortable when there's other people around like that know that you vlog and understand what you're doing, because it is hard. Like sometimes When I first started, I felt really uncomfortable, and I still do sometimes. Like, it just depends on where you are and like the atmosphere. But when you just like pull out your camera and you start talking, it can be very uncomfortable for some people to look at, and it makes you uncomfortable as well. But you know what, don't worry about them. Just do your thing, go with your friends, vlog, and just keep doing that, and you'll start to feel more comfortable vlogging out in public. Because like, I don't have a problem. I go to the shops and I pull out my camera, and no one has ever told me that I can't vlog in the shops, like, ever. And if they do, like, that's fine, I won't vlog, and then I'll vlog where I can vlog. But just do it.
Do it whatever you want to do it.
Do
it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Next question. Sorry about that.
What inspired you guys to YouTube? Well, if you guys are following me from the start, you would know that I started this YouTube channel on my own. I initially started because I was doing some sort of challenge, you know, eating healthy challenge, and I wanted to vlog to keep myself accountable for what I was eating. And I've never known that there was ever a Samoan YouTuber. I'd never seen it. Maybe there were before myself, but I'd never known any before I started. And so I thought, well, it feels like I'm the only Samoan you know, YouTuber that's doing this. So I just continued, like, I just kept vlogging what I was eating, and then from there it just turned into a vlogging channel when SIAOSI came and he joined me. That was a beautiful video. That was like one of my very first vlogging videos, maybe like in the top 5 that I had ever posted was when he came, and that video will also be in the link down below. And SIAOSI was just like really iffy at first. He didn't really want to, like, he was a bit, you know, here and there about vlogging, and I just had to like constantly convince him, because he was always like, before, but now he understands. It brings in the money.
It's good for you. It's good for me. It's good for all of us.
Y'all are some nosy ass peeps. What was your ex's name?
No, guys.
Why you don't want to?
No.
We can tell them their initial. What was your ex's initial?
The first letter.
Yeah. D. Yours is D.
No.
Yours is D.
No.
D, 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 D.
Mine is...
Don't even. I will punch you square in your face.
What?
Go.
I'll punch you square in your face.
Why?
Because why you want me? That's not my ex. My dick. I already told you before we met.
Well, how did that just happen?
Because it's happened. But the ex, there's someone who you love and...
So let me just put this out there. We are basically each other's first real, actual relationship. Like, we fully came out with our parents. We like fully considered ourselves a relationship. Everything else was basically kiddie relationship. So it's pretty hard to, you know, to find which one you consider your ex. But SIAOSI, who would you say?
Tell your ex first.
No, you tell yours first.
My answer is W.
Who's W? Let me try and think. W. There is no one. You're such a liar.
W.
Who?
I'm not telling you. Tell me you.
No, tell me. Tell me.
What?
That is so not funny.
I don't know.
Stop lying. You want to say L.
What do you mean L?
You want to say L.
L?
You want to say L. Don't lie. You want to say L.
Who's
Stop
L?
lying. He wants to say L. So his ex was L. Mine starts with... You don't know, boy. You don't know.
Tell me now, because we married for 4 years.
We haven't been married for 4 years. We've been married for 2, but we've been together for 4.
4 years, yeah. Tell me.
So his one is L. because I know he wanted to say L.
Why?
He wanted to consider L as his ex.
What do you mean?
Nah, I'm not telling you. Okay, so no, mine is starting with, anyways, I don't know, I don't even want to give this some clout. You guys would have seen me answer this question in my two lies, one truth challenge with my cousins that I did. But how old were you when you had your first kiss?
First kiss? My first kiss when I am, sorry guys, 8 years old.
Anyways, that is too young. I don't know what your mum was letting you do, but I would have whooped your ass.
But it's not that kiss. Yeah.
No, how old were you when you first did like your real kiss where you stuck your tongue in her mouth?
Oh, 10 years old. I have kept them when I am 10 years old.
Yeah, that's the truth. You know, boys in Samoa, they're so, if you're fighting it, but instead of bat would be.
But that time I already bought with my butt.
Yeah, but you still so small.
Yeah, that's true.
I waited till puberty hit, and I was 14.
14 years old.
Anyways, guys, that is our Q&A. Thank you so much for watching. So sorry it took us such a long time. Comment down below which one was your favorite question.
Loyal subscribers, please stand up. Lover. More likes and subscribe. Yeah, more challenges coming up soon, guys. You will see it. And you smack the button down below. Yeah. Oito malava. Matua o pena o uso tu whawhine o tama. Yeah. Manai whanau laiti. Yeah. Pawtaitele a whapelavo e like. Whamamawharori makua nunga le like. A whaifu I se meo whaale tonu to vlog. Ia o loo I le tatou api tusi no tingai piko I lalo. To umai sau comment po sau, yeah.
We love you guys so much.
Love you guys so
Stay
much.
tuned for our challenge coming this weekend.
Yeah.
Bye.
If you like it, subscribe.